Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Hitman 2 game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable or disable autosave within the game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Hitman 2 on your device, and once you open it up, you will be taken into the home page. From here, click on Options at the top right corner, and now within the Options page, go ahead and click on Gameplay. Now within the Gameplay options, you will see various different settings that you can change. If you scroll all the way down, then now you will find the autosave option. This is set to on by default, but if you wish to turn this off, just tap on the toggle and now it will be turned off. You can now go back into the game. And since autosave has now been turned off, you will need to manually save your progress. You can come back to this menu at any point of time in the future in order to re-enable autosave if you wish. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to enable or disable autosave on the Hitman 2 game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.